I'm sure there's room for improvement, but I was very impressed with this very unique, I think, in this festival that people don't take themselves seriously, but everything's very professional. So on the outside you feel like, oh, everything is so simple and falls into place and all that. I know that there's a lot of work behind that, but so the atmosphere is very relaxed. It's really, it's all about like this, under the fig tree discussion. It's, you sit on the floor and you have a nice discussion, but the content of the discussion is really, really rich. And so that's the general atmosphere, I think, is fabulous, because you're in a very relaxed way, but I feel that I've been really nourished during this past week. I've been nourished with films, I've been nourished with exchanges, I've been nourished with friendship, and with excellent food. And so it's very important. This whole thing, makes you completely open and ready to get things and hopefully to be able to give back. But that, I think, was quite extraordinary.
I would always advise young filmmakers to build a good team, because making a documentary production, the first step is perhaps fairly easy if you have the skills of a camera, and if you can find a good reason to make a film and a good project in your heart, and you find a way of making it into an audiovisual experience for an audience. And if you could co-produce perhaps between the countries, it's also easier to reach a higher level of budget, so that you can work, on a more sustainable and long-term, better conditions of your documentary projects.
Será tudo blauwa verde, brasão diferente sem esperança. Blauwa, será tudo blauwa verde, brasão diferente sem esperança. Brasão diferente sem esperança. Brasão diferente sem esperança.
Нашите животи беа најмногу променети во, согледувањето како тие луѓе живеат, бидувањето таму, затоа што не е ист процес како игран филм. Тоа те менува како човек многу. И тоа што ние го добивме една многу голема свесност за некои работи, не само за, не зборуваме аспект на пораката на филмот животна средина, туку пред се како луѓе едни за други. Свесност дека низината порака земи пола, остави пола е нешто кое што би требало во сите аспекти на животот да се применува. Меѓу другото и во правење.
Ама тоа има екзистенционален, таа порака има екзистенционален корен. Од таму иде тоа. Затоа е автентична и затоа е ударна очигледно. Затоа што ние го имаме изгубено тоа.